In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes to tables in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing tasks, setting up a list, or just want to add a touch of interactivity to your document, adding checkboxes is a handy feature that can elevate your document's functionality. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. Once the search results appear, you'll want to click on the first link. It should take you right to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details. This step is crucial, as you'll need to access your personal or shared documents. With Google Docs open, you have the option to either open an existing document or create a new one. If you choose to create a new document, just hit the blank option to start afresh. On the other hand, accessing an existing document is as simple as clicking on it from your list of documents. Once you're in your document, it's time to insert a table. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down list, select Table. You'll then see an option to choose the number of rows and columns. Just click and drag over the grid to set your table's dimensions. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect. You can always adjust the size later. Now, let's move on to adding checkboxes. Click inside the cell of your table where you'd like to place a checkbox. With the cell selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Look for an icon resembling a bulleted list with check marks, or sometimes it looks like a solid square. This is the checklist icon. Once you find it, give it a click. Upon clicking the checklist icon, a checkbox will appear in the selected table cell. You can now type the text for your list item right next to the checkbox. Whether it's a task, a reminder, or any other item, it's as simple as typing it out. Here's a quick tip. If you need to add another checkbox within the same cell, just press Enter on your keyboard. This will automatically create a new checkbox right below the previous one, allowing you to continue your list seamlessly. Alternatively, if you wish to place checkboxes in other cells, simply click on another cell and repeat the process. And there you have it, a simple way to enhance your Google Docs tables with checkboxes. It's efficient, straightforward, and adds a layer of organization to your documents. Hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to explore more features that Google Docs has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.